over the last 3 days, they will realize what it's like to live the .com lifestyle, the potential, and they'll continue to build their business. And what, you got the wrong card?
Yeah, I need to go get a card.
Okay. I can take some picture. I'll go take the picture. You can get another card while I take a picture. All right. Okay, everyone. This is not a photo. This is a video. So everyone, just give me a wave. Yeah, give me a wave. You're on video. You give me a wave, okay? And yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little pan, okay? We're gonna do as I pan through this way, you can all wave like that, right? So it's a pan through. Ready? Here we go. Yeah. All right. Awesome. Yeah, this is not for the video contest. I already submitted my entry, so yeah. There you go. That's good. That's it. And go for the other side. And what I'm gonna do, this one is I'm gonna start with a few people. I'm gonna back up.
B-roll doesn't really count.
Yeah, here you go. I'm gonna back up. Everyone just wave. I'm backing up. There you go. All right, that's pretty good. I'm gonna take some pictures and then we'll continue.
And then the one that just came in, move over just a little bit this way. There you go. 3, 2, yeah. All right. You want to do one on the beach too?
Yeah, let's do one on the beach. They're gonna go to the beach. It's perfect. You got, well, ideal time to take this type of photo would be a sunset, but you know, we can't do that right now, so we're gonna be casting some kind of shadow, but it'll still look good. It'll still look good. Tasha's up on the platform, and there's everybody there, looking good. Looking good.
Everybody fill in, students.
Yeah.
Students, tight, tight.
Yeah. You guys are looking good. You guys are looking good. Tasha snapping some photos. Yeah. Here we go. Okay, today's dinner menu is an appetizer and then a fresh citrus salad. Dinner will have the surf and turf, which is good. So the surf and turf is grilled sirloin steak with red wine sauce and a lobster tail with béarnaise sauce. Sounds good. And a strawberry cheesecake for dessert. Yeah, sounds like a good farewell dinner. First course, salad. It looks, actually it looks pretty straightforward. Some greens and a vinaigrette and yeah, okay. The main course is here, surf and turf. So we have, that's the surf, the lobster, gotta be one of the smallest lobster tail I've ever seen. And the steak looks, actually, you know what? It's overcooked. The steak looks well done. The steak looks overcooked, but who knows? Hopefully the sauce will make up for the dryness. And the dessert. Looks like a cheesecake. Yeah, it's a cheesecake.
You have to learn how to do it.
You finished your dessert, so come on out. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna send you off with a bang. It's up to you. Bang, bang.